Today unboxing is on the latest pair of Tomica TLV, Mazda RX7. We have the 89 in white and also the 91 in green. I also will do an unboxing for the 91 Skyline R32 in a separate video, followed by the Ferrari BB. And now let's take a closer look at the 91 RX7 in green, which also belongs to the Japanese car era series. The whole box is very nicely designed, just like a book, with a very nice watercolor illustration on the front cover. I welcome all these watercolor illustration on TLV. It looks very premium and looks like a piece of art. And when you open the flap, you can see the casting together with the box. There's also a bio and a write-up for the RX7. Hence, this is the reason why this is a book, all written in Japanese. Sadly enough, after this video, I'm going to chuck this box away because it just takes up a lot of space. More details at the back, and also an instruction to install the splitter, which I really can't comprehend why. The 91 RX7 comes in a regular box. On the side, you can see the similar instruction to install the splitter, which I'm not going to. And here's the casting that comes together with a separate component. Really have a nostalgic feel while holding on to this casting. I think TLV did a very good job. I'm not really a fan for dark green on the body color for any cars, especially JDM. But the details are just on point. On the rear, it's really a beauty. Lots of details on the rear light. The execution is very clean and very detailed, just like the real thing. You can also see the Infini and the Mazda logo very clearly. The proportion is perfect, very nicely executed, another great work by TLV. And I'm really happy that the wheels rose extremely fast, which is the driving force on why I keep collecting TLV. I think it's great. Next, the 89 Infini RX7 in white. Likewise, it comes in a separate component where you need to install the splitter yourself. I'm really delighted over the color of this casting. I'm not sure if I'm influenced by the initial D manga, and this casting really reminds me of the RedSuns FC3S. I can see the details more clearly, especially the panel lines than the green body color. Beautiful paint job with a very detailed interior, which is a plus. And when paired with the yellow FD, they make a great pair, and it's very comparable to the initial D manga driven by the RedSuns brother. It's also interesting to see the comparison between the FC and the FD. So which is your favorite? The latest FC3S in white or the FD3S in distinctive yellow? More Tomica TLV unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!